I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. It was a big week for legalization in the Northeast. Connecticut officially legalized adult use cannabis, and on July 1st, adults 21 and up can possess up to 1.5 ounces of cannabis flowers and up to 5 ounces in their homes. Retail sales are not expected to begin until sometime next year. And in addition to Connecticut, Rhode Island Senate has approved a bill to legalize adult use, and now it moves to the state's House for approval. A lot of bad behavior in cannabis to talk about this week. A Manhattan federal judge sentenced 2 former consultants for the cannabis delivery company Eaze to prison last Friday for their roles in a scheme to dupe U.S. banks into processing credit card transactions. The transactions totaled $100 million in payments. Hamid Ray Akavan was sentenced to 2.5 years in prison, and Ruben Wigan to 15 months in prison. The Massachusetts Cannabis Control Commission fined both Tilt Holdings and Air Strategies last week for over $200,000 each, as both companies try to resolve issues each blamed on previous management. Now the settlement does allow them each to move forward with their plans in the state. Canopy Growth has completed its transaction, acquiring the Supreme Cannabis Company, a deal that was valued at $435 million. Alimentation Couche-Tard, the owners of Circle K, exercised warrants to acquire over 10 million shares of Fire & Flower. The company now owns roughly 20% of that cannabis company. Bang Inc. provided an update with respect to its previously announced management cease trade order that was issued by the Ontario Securities Commission. The company reported some of their earnings. They said that revenue dropped considerably from $4.6 million in 2019 to just $1.6 million in 2020. Product sales also dropped considerably from $3.7 million in 2019 to just $120,000 in 2020, with licensing income making up the difference. Australia's Capital announced that it is changing its name to Audacious Brands. The company's ticker symbol will remain AUSA on the CSE and AUSAF on the OTC. The company said it will consolidate brands under the new Audacious banner, and they intend to launch additional products lines under those new names. And those are the big headlines for the week. I'm Deborah Borchardt with the Green Market Report.